What is up, guys? It's your girl Elle, and I'm back with another video. So today I am actually bleaching my little wig piece right here. I'm bleaching the knots first, and I've had this on for a little minute, so I'm thinking we're gonna get ready to go ahead and wash the lace, and then I'm gonna be adding some more highlights to the hair itself, and then yeah, we'll see how it comes out from there. Bleach that I used, you guys, I ordered a whole pound, $22, okay, of this, and this is what they sent me. I'm definitely going to be calling them tomorrow because they really got me up. I spent $22 on like a big container of bleach, and that's what they sent me. And then I just went ahead and used my L'Oreal developer. I did buy the Wella Color Charm big bottle developer to go with my big tub of bleach. Guys, so I went ahead and bleached the knots, and I don't know how I feel. I guess we'll see. So I have the toner on the wig in select parts, the front and then on the tips. So we're gonna do like 15-minute increment to check on the hair and see if the color is getting where we want it to go. The thing I do want to mention is I haven't bleached hair in a while. So what I forgot, and I just thought about like 10 minutes ago, was I used 20 developer, so it takes longer to develop. Alright, you guys, I literally have like 1 minute left on my camera, so I will be switching over to my phone and the quality will change. But I went ahead and took the scarf off. I'm about to part in the middle, flat iron, and hot comb. And then we'll be done. So I guess I can go ahead and like see what I can do on camera real quick. We at 23 seconds, 24, 25. Alright, you guys, so I wanted to come on the camera really quick. My other camera is out of storage space and I did not change the thingamabobber, so this is how the hair came out. This is how it's looking right now. You know, this is just blow dried. The top is hot combed and a little bit flat iron, but I didn't flat iron this hair or anything. And this is 18 inches and it goes like down to the middle of my back. And yeah, so that is it for this video. You guys, this video was choppy as heck. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please leave tips or tricks if you guys know any. I haven't bleached hair or done, you know, my hair like this in a while. I normally have a wig and I just throw it on, but this one I actually went ahead and added highlights in the front. So this hair was just it was supposed to give off this effect, but it was just like this color, sort of. But no, it was more so this color. So I had added that bleach to lighten it, and then the toner as well to give it more of an ashier blonde type. It's really giving what I wanted it and needed it to give. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow my social medias. It'll be down in the description box below. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And that's on period.